You've probably heard that younger women often gravitate toward older men, and it's true. Qualities like maturity, stability, and life experience make older men naturally attractive. But here's the catch: many older men don't know how to leverage these advantages. In fact, I've seen countless guys in their 40s, 50s, and beyond sabotage themselves by making the same predictable mistakes. These mistakes don't just cost them opportunities, they damage their confidence and keep them stuck in a cycle of frustration. But here's the good news: avoiding these mistakes is simple. It's not about trying to change who you are. It's about refining how you present yourself. Today, I'm going to share the 8 biggest mistakes older men make with younger women, and more importantly, how to avoid them. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1: idolizing her. Here's the scenario. You're talking to a younger woman who's beautiful, vibrant, and maybe even a little intimidating. Your instinct? You put her on a pedestal. You treat her like she's a rare prize, overcompensating with compliments, trying to impress her and avoiding any disagreement. In your mind, she's too good for you, and that belief seeps into your behavior. The problem? Idolizing her doesn't make you attractive. It makes you uninteresting. Women are drawn to men who treat them as equals, not men who act like they're auditioning for approval. The fix: normalize your interactions. Practice talking to women of all ages without attaching too much significance to the outcome. When you approach conversations with confidence and see her as a person, not a prize, you instantly become more grounded and appealing. Mistake number 2: leading with money. A lot of older men think their financial success is their ticket to winning a younger woman's attention. They'll brag about their job, mention their car, or subtly name-drop their last expensive vacation. But here's the thing: leading with money only attracts the wrong type of woman, someone who's interested in what you can give, not who you are. And when the relationship becomes transactional, it's not built to last. The fix: let your success speak for itself. Don't bring it up unless it comes up naturally. Focus on building a connection based on shared values, humor, and emotional chemistry. The right woman will appreciate your stability and success, but she'll fall for your character. Mistake number 3: being insecure about your age. When a younger woman asks, "How old are you?" do you panic or try to dodge the question? If so, you're signaling insecurity. If you see your age as a problem, so will she. The reality is, younger women are often drawn to older men precisely because of their age. They're looking for maturity, life experience, and someone who has their life together. The fix: own your age with confidence. Whether you're 45, 55, or older, say it with pride. If you want to add a playful twist, say something like, "Old enough to know what I want, but young enough to enjoy it." When you're secure in who you are, she'll see your age as an asset, not a limitation. Mistake number 4: trying too hard to look young. Many older men fall into the trap of chasing youth by dressing like teenagers, using slang that doesn't suit them, or trying to adopt trends they don't genuinely connect with. Instead of coming across as youthful, they look like they're trying too hard, and that's a turnoff. The fix: focus on looking your best at any age. Invest in timeless, well-fitting clothes, prioritize grooming, and stay healthy. Not to look younger, but to feel confident and energized. Authenticity is far more attractive than chasing trends. Mistake number 5: overloading the conversation with your achievements. Older men often feel the need to prove their value by listing their accomplishments, whether it's their career, education, or life experiences. While it's great to be proud of what you've done, overloading the conversation with these details can make you come across as self-absorbed. The fix: focus on her. Ask meaningful questions. Listen actively and show genuine interest in her thoughts and experiences. Let your accomplishments come up naturally over time. A man who is confident in his worth doesn't need to constantly remind others of it. His presence speaks for itself. Mistake number 6. Assuming you have nothing to learn from her. Some older men believe their age automatically makes them the teacher in the relationship. They assume their experience gives them all the answers, leaving little room for mutual growth or learning. While life experience is valuable, no one, regardless of age, wants to feel like they're in a one-sided dynamic. This mindset can make younger women feel undervalued or dismissed. The fix: approach the relationship with curiosity and openness. Every person, regardless of age, has unique insights, perspectives, and experiences to share. When you genuinely value her opinions and ideas, you create a connection based on mutual respect and partnership, not hierarchy. Mistake number 7. Trying to rush the connection. Many older men feel they need to speed things up when dating younger women. They try to escalate the relationship too quickly, whether it's pushing for exclusivity, frequent texting, or jumping into deep conversations too soon. The problem? Rushing creates pressure and comes across as needy, which can push her away. Attraction takes time to grow, and trying to force it will only backfire. The fix: pace yourself. Focus on building a genuine connection and let the relationship unfold naturally. When you demonstrate patience and confidence, it shows her you're not desperate and you respect her space. Remember, the most meaningful connections are built over time, not in a hurry. Mistake number 8. Overthinking the age gap. One of the biggest traps older men fall into is overanalyzing or constantly addressing the age difference. They bring it up in conversation, joke about it too often, or worry excessively about what others might think. This behavior makes the age gap a bigger deal than it needs to be and can create unnecessary tension. The fix: stop fixating on the age gap and treat her like an equal. Younger women are attracted to older men for qualities like confidence, stability, and wisdom. When you focus on these strengths instead of the age difference, you create a more comfortable and enjoyable dynamic. Confidence in who you are and what you bring to the table will overshadow any number. Conclusion: at the heart of all these mistakes is one common theme: a lack of confidence in who you are. Younger women aren't looking for perfection. They're drawn to authenticity, self-awareness, and grounded confidence. When you let go of insecurities and focus on becoming the best version of yourself, you won't just attract the right relationships, you'll elevate your entire life. If this message resonates with you, take a moment to reflect on where you can improve. Remember, transformation is a journey, not a destination. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Stoic Trench.